If you want amazing hosting a coupon code discount, then you have to watch this video in full, because in this video I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So the procedure is very easy and quick. What you have to do to get the coupon code discount is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on an exclusive coupon link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an already running discount deal. But don't worry guys, I'm going to give you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running coupon code deal. So there are a few things which inspired me to get hosting from Hostinger. One such was their reviews. If I'm going to click on their reviews, you may see over here their Trustpilot reviews, and the reviews are astonishing. All of them got 5-star reviews, which is just amazing for any hosting company. The best thing with Hostinger is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, no question asked, 30 days money back guarantee with cancel anytime support, which is a great additional feature. Now these are the three most popular plan. You can get the coupon code discount on any plan as per your convenience. If I scroll below, you may see over here that Hostinger has Hostinger Horizon, where you just turn your idea into reality by giving the command. And if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, Hostinger has a website migration service which is going to easily shift all of your website to Hostinger, that too free of cost. And this is a control panel, also known as each panel. Super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any issue and hassle. Hostinger also has local data centers all around in the world, 24/7 support, and the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backup, SSL security certificate, Cloudflare protected name servers, and at this moment 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. So if you want to be the part of the Hostinger family, simply scroll above and choose any plan. I highly recommend you guys to simply check the see all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan function features before you're going to get one. So now if you want to get as much as up to 91% off with this coupon code, follow this video. For instance, if you are going to select this plan, simply select the juice plan with this one. Okay, you can grab this on the other plans as well, so you just have to do the calculation to get the discount. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description. Now you are over here. Now you see that this is a special discounted deal, plus you're getting bonus AI credits. So Hostinger offer 4 billing periods, 48, 24, 12 and 1 month. I recommend you guys to offer the 48 months to grab the maximum discount. So you may see over here that you are getting free domain, 2 months free extra. So do your math over here. Daily backup free of cost, 2 months free domain, free setup, free domain privacy protection. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So you may see that once you applied it, your price got a further discount. So you may be somewhere between 91 to 90% over here with this coupon code, with all the additional discounts over here, plus free domain, plus 2 months free extra. So there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code. That is your personal preference on which coupon code you wanted to choose on. And after this, you may see the 30 days money back guarantee is running right now. Simply select the continue, and you may be asked to log into your account, and or you can create your account by synchronizing with the Google. Since I already have an account, which is why it's being shown over here. Now at the order summary, I can see my order, my discount coupon code is loaded. Now write your billing details over here and simply select the continue over here. So once you select the continue, you may be asked to do the payment method. Now Hostinger offer variety of payment method, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you can even pay with the crypto as well. So you have so many options to choose on. You can select any as per your convenience. For instance, we are going with a credit card, write credit card details and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you're going to get your hosting from Hostinger. Within few minutes, you're going to get an email from them with all of your hosting account details. Just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 3 to 4 years. My experience so far is very good, and I highly recommend you guys to be the part of this 4 million plus family using the discount coupon code link in the description, and use either of the coupon code to get the maximum discount with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.